City planning is paper-driven, slow, and prone to miscommunication and objections. Airspace changes are even more complex and can further slow down design approvals. Today's gamers have shown that collaborating and communicating using massive multiplayer technology works, even through lockdowns. TEKTowr is building SIMTwin to help bring the future vision of electric and autonomous flight to life through digital collaboration. Our platform can plug and play with architects' digital twins, airspace models, noise simulations, and even energy distribution models, to ensure that scheme design risks are understood early and solutions can be developed collaboratively. By working together and solving objections early, you can save cost and time and bring the next revolution in flight to life. Come and plan our future with SIMTwin.